Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can create a Pinterest graphic or Pinterest thumbnail. I don't even know how to call it, so let's start. First, you will have a link in the description for Canva. Click on the create design and then right here Pinterest graphic. Yep, it is here. Now you have many really great templates that you could use for Pinterest graphic, and I recommend just checking it out and play with it. So let's say that what I recommend always is this: go with the wedding Pinterest, or it doesn't matter, choose for example this one here, and let's say that this is going to be like top 10 do it yourself, and let's say home decorations. And what we want to do now is to click for example on more or background or photos, right here home, or not home, that's bad, white will be bad too here. Yeah, for example this one, let's make it bigger, and now let's position to back. And see, you got a perfect, you got really perfect Pinterest graphic that you can use. You can again choose different kind of template if you would like and just play with it. There's plenty of options that you can use, and I always just listen to your intuition. What do you feel is good, and use it as a Pinterest. For example, this one is like really cool. Okay, top 5 easy no bake birthday cakes. I would rename this to, I don't know, top 5 best recipes for hook. Now what I would do, I would go to the photos, I will write here kitchen. Now this is, I mean, this can be good, this can be that bad, I think. Okay, maybe. And now I will just change the position. Yeah, or I would just add food here. This is the second option. Like here, position to back. Okay, and I have it. Now what I would do is just publish to Pinterest or download. Here we go. Open it, and voila, here I have the graphic. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya.